Additive manufacturing, or more commonly known as 3D printing, is changing the way we create objects. Instead of traditional subtractive manufacturing methods such as cutting or drilling, additive manufacturing builds objects layer by layer using computer-controlled precision. Over the years, additive manufacturing has evolved and expanded its capabilities. With additive manufacturing, we can now create lightweight and durable parts for aircraft engines, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Additive manufacturing has transformed the field of healthcare. We can now create personalized prosthetic limbs that can match an individual's anatomy, enhancing mobility and comfort. Another crucial aspect of additive manufacturing is the wide range of materials available for printing, from polymers and metals to ceramics and even biocompatible materials. Additive manufacturing offers unmatched precision and accuracy. The computer-controlled process ensures consistent quality and allows for production of complex geometries, reducing material waste, manpower, and optimizing efficiency, providing a more sustainable method of manufacturing. As technology advances, additive manufacturing continues to push the boundary of what's possible and creating new opportunities for innovation in manufacturing.